Imagine you are at a coffee shop. You order an espresso, but you decide to add milk, caramel, and whipped cream. That espresso becomes something entirely new without losing its core identity. This is the concept behind the decorator pattern. Today, we'll see how it's works in C# with a real-world example. The decorator pattern allows us to dynamically add new functionality to objects without modifying their structure. Let's break it down step by step. This interface defines what every coffee must have, a description and a cost. The espresso class is our concrete coffee type. It implements the interface, providing basic description and cost. This abstract class acts as a wrapper for any coffee object. It forwards calls to the coffee object, but allows subclasses to add new functionality. Each decorator extends the coffee object with additional features. For example, milk adds a description and a cost to the coffee it wraps. Now that we have built our coffee components and decorators, let's head to the main method and see how everything works together. Here, we'll create a coffee order step by step and execute the code to see the output. We start with a plain espresso and print its description and cost. Then we add milk, caramel, and whipped cream. Stacking these decorators one by one, finally we print the customized coffee order with the updated description and cost. Now let's execute the code and see the result. Notice how the description evolves as we add each feature, and the cost updates accordingly. This is the power of the decorator pattern. It allows us to extend functionality dynamically without altering the original object. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful demonstration of the decorator design pattern in C#. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next tutorial.